Hi, welcome to Katerina Finds. Let's review this HKH Madagascar Centella Ampoule Serum. It comes in a nice, beautiful package. With couple brochures. Enriched with 5 types of ceramides and squalane, this serum mimics the skin's natural lipid structure to rebuild damaged barriers, lock in moisture, and relieve dryness, flakiness caused by sensitivity or overexfoliation. Calendula, rose, and jasmine extracts helps to soothe the complexion, reducing the appearance of inflammation. Vegan squalane helps to calm skin and reduces the look of redness. Probiotic ferment helps to rebuild skin barrier and helps skin stay hydrated. The formula is fragrance-free. It has chamomile and calendula extract to enhance calming effects. Safe for sensitive skin. It has been tested under dermatologist supervision. The formula is so lightweight and hydrating. It feels so nice. Can be used in the morning or in the evening after you cleanse your face and before you apply moisturizer. 8-form hyaluronic acid blend penetrates deep into the layers, while glycerin creates a long-lasting moisture shield against dehydration. Citrus and seaweed helps to rejuvenate skin without causing irritation or dryness. I will follow it with moisturizer, but I like this lightweight formula, how calming and soothing the effect of it is, and it gives me such a glow to my skin. It's part of my daily routine now, and I do recommend it.